Jumper Pocket Fetal Doppler. Pregnancy is exciting, but some days you just feel like knocking on that tummy and asking if anybody is home. Expectant mothers like to talk to their babies, but the only feedback they get is the odd kick and tumble, if you don't count bouts of heartburn and such. We all look forward to scheduled ultrasounds with nervous anticipation because they give us the reassurance of hearing the baby's heartbeat, but also a sense of communication. This is why the Jumper Pocket Fetal Doppler is such a fantastic gadget. With this little pocket medical device, you can safely listen to the prenatal sounds and monitor the heartbeat of your unborn baby in the comfort and privacy of your own home. You always have to be prudent when using any device during pregnancy, so always look for government certifications. The Doppler is approved by the National Health Service and the Australian Government's Therapeutic Goods and Administration, so you can rest assured knowing that it is perfectly safe to use during pregnancy. Please remember that this Doppler isn't a substitute for a doctor's examination, and you should always seek professional medical advice regarding any pregnancy concerns. The first thing you'll notice when you unpack your pocket Doppler is how light it is. The entire device weighs just 250 grams, including its 2 AA batteries. The Doppler is waterproof and perfect for any climate because of its durability at a range of temperatures or humidity levels. What you'll see on the main body is additional features such as a battery status indicator. To save your battery, the device also has an auto-off feature which activates after 1 minute of no signal. The Jumper Pocket Fetal Doppler features a large LCD display that shows you the fetal heart rate. You can select one of 3 modes: real-time display mode, which shows the live tracking of your baby's heart rate, average display mode, which calculates the average for you, or manual mode that you can adjust on your own. The handy backlight means that you can use the monitor while others are sleeping without disrupting them. This is particularly handy for those who are carrying babies who are particularly active during the night. While using the heart detector, you can opt to listen to the audio feed through a built-in loudspeaker or through headphones that you can connect to the main unit. The best part? You can record baby's movements, heartbeats, kicks, even hiccups so that you can play it for friends and family. That way nobody has to miss a special moment and you can enjoy the audio for years to come. Now let's see this handy little device works. Alongside your unit you will find an ultrasonic probe. This probe connects to the Doppler and works at a frequency of 3.0 MHz. This frequency is significantly lower than the one your doctor uses at prenatal ultrasounds and is safe to use as often as you wish. However, this also means that it picks up heartbeats a little later. In this case, the pocket fetal heart detector can be used from 14 to 16 weeks of pregnancy. You can begin using the 15 ml sample gel included in your set, and keep it in mind that you can order gel individually or even use any lotion, hand cream or similar product you'd carry in your purse to lubricate the skin and probe. This is particularly convenient because, let's be honest, what is the point of a compact fetal Doppler if you have to carry around a giant tube of gel with it? Begin by lathering your lower belly with the lotion, and with the device turned on, place the probe so that it is direct contact with the skin. Tilt, rotate, and move the probe around the belly until you find a clear heartbeat. Now you can simply enjoy the sounds, record, or see how the baby responds to different stimulants such as music and voices. You'll find it wonderfully comforting to be able to hear the sound of your baby anywhere, anytime. What's more, you can also use the device to record your own heartbeat, and when you welcome your precious little newborn to the world, you can play it back to them as a way of soothing and calming them. This is certainly more practical than popular methods such as running the blow dryer, which can be costly and dangerous. The Jumper Pocket Fetal Doppler is a must-have prenatal pocket device for expecting ladies. Get one for yourself and enjoy the perks of carrying peace of mind in your very own pocket.